AcuRite Solar Radiation Shield. In the wintertime, when there's no leaves on the trees, I have some issues with these outdoor wireless thermometers getting affected by the sun. This one is reading 60 degrees outside, and then this other one here is only reading 42 outside. Which is the difference between going outside and feeling relatively comfortable and absolutely freezing. This is the unit that's reading 42. As you can see, it is in the sun, but it has a kind of the same concept type of product over the temperature sensor, which is shielding it from the sun. Here's the sensor that's reading 60. This is not an issue in the summer because the trees keep the area shaded, but in the wintertime it gets direct sun exposure for much of the day. Here's the sensor. It's pretty clean. I was going to clean it off, but it looks alright. Let's open this up and see how this works. Holy mackerel, that's huge! That's ridiculous. I thought it was just going to be slightly larger than the sensor itself. Okay. Well, I think it looks like probably just stick it in that little clip thing up there. Yep, that's it. Hello? Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi there, I'm Ben from AcuRite Insurance. How are you doing today?
Garbage. Hello? Anyways, I'm going to check the batteries while I have this inside. Yeah, let's put, I'm going to change these out. I just checked those in the battery charger and they were reading it's less than 25% charge. So we're going to swap these in instead. These are Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries, and these tend to work better in the cold. Wonder if these sensors will last longer being in this thing. Should keep it out of the elements better, I would think, keep the rain off and everything. Looks like we have a wall mount option there on the back, or the hook. I suppose I could just put a screw into that little thing I had before and put it back where it was. I'm just going to use the wire for now. Fix it better in the spring. Just put it outside, back to the same spot that it was before. I'm going to have to move it in the spring because that looks a little ridiculous. The little sensor was pretty inconspicuous, but this is very obvious. That thing is huge. Well, now we just wait and see what the reading is. It's been about an hour now. This thermometer is reading 42.8 degrees. Since the other one does not have a decimal, we'll just round it up to 43. And the other one is reading 46, and the trending arrow is pointing down, so it's claiming the temperature is still dropping. So that's a big improvement over before, where we had 60 degrees or 61 degrees I think on this thermometer. No, 60. That was the high. We had 60 degrees before, and now we have 46, so that's much closer to the other thermometer. Oh, 45. Now it's only 2 degrees off. And in fact, since these are fairly inexpensive thermometers, the calibration or the accuracy is only claimed to be, I think, plus or minus 2 degrees. So with that in mind, we could say that that baffle has potentially brought it down to read the same temperature.